Good afternoon, boys and girls and parents. Shut the fuck up. Who's seen that masterpiece? What's up, guys? We're at a new place for jiu-jitsu today. Well, we're not doing jiu-jitsu here, but I've just completed my jiu-jitsu session, so it's backflip time. And we're at a different place. This is on the way home. Normally I stop off at that other place, but realistically this is a nicer place. So we're at this point now where I'm venturing off into new ground in my mind. YouTube helps me do that. Welcome. Should we have a wander first? I mean, this is an ideal place to do some shit, to be fair. If I put you on a tree, then everyone's happy, really, because everyone loves trees, especially trees that are like... So yeah, guys, let's get into this one. Bonkers. Some people think I'm bonkers, but I just think I'm free. I'll probably take you for a little walk around here, because I haven't been here in a while, and it's actually a decent spot, to be fair. To be true to you. To be true! Got McGregor president. Lots coming soon, guys. Who would have thought 2 years ago the McGregor president? What sort of simulation do we live in? And it's because he's alchemising being a king. And the next step from that in this society is basically president. King McGregor. And he's going to act like that as well. He's going to have MMA fights. That is sheer legend. He has lost the plot a little bit, but each to their own. Everyone's a bit mad here. It's like Alice in Wonderland. Maybe I'll put you on there instead. Yeah, jiu-jitsu was good anyway, guys. I hope you've had a good day. Because I have. Yeah, I'll just take you for a little walk around these grounds. This is like some sort of astroturf here. And do you know what's so mad about Norwich? It's mystical as fuck. Everyone in the world wants to be where I am right now. Because it's mystical as fuck. It's like these bushes, you can walk around the bushes, like a dog would love this place. It's like hiding, you know, jumping out. You know what I'm saying? It's luscious grounds, Norwich is, with a lovely river all the way through it. And I'm going to do a flip on this turf, because it's a lovely... It's made for backflips is what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to set you up nice. What's up, guys? My YouTube's falling a bit flat because I don't necessarily like myself. I don't know what's going on. Oh mate, it's heaven here. This is a new backflip spot, guys. For real, for real. Pharrell Williams. It's just nice to be here. See, if you're not going for walks in your favourite spot, you ain't doing it right, believe me, you're not living right. You've got to find those places and go for a walk. Bit lazy, to be fair. Dragonfly. See that dragonfly? That's all for now. My ankle's down. Go for a little wander perhaps. Honey blackberries. Ah. Ow! Pricked myself. What bastard, I just got a nice berry and it pricked me. Just look at that, man. It's heaven. Oh, this, man. It's like a golf course. Oh, it is literally.